Hey guys, in today's video, we are going to be doing a shopping haul. I did a little bit of an impulse shop. I decided to go ahead and try and see what TikTok shop was all about. And I wanted to see the quality. I got a really good discount on my first purchase. I've only done one purchase. I do not know if I'll be doing another purchase. I haven't opened anything I've purchased yet. I wanted you to see my expressions as I do so. I did open the boxes just for time savings, but I haven't looked at anything that I bought yet. And in the comment section below after the video, I want you to tell me if what I bought was worth the price that I spent. And I spent about $110, I believe it is. I'll put the total amount on the screen while I'm editing, and just let me know. Okay, let's get to it. And let me first start by saying, now I did cut it open, but this, I'm not sure how this holds up when it comes from overseas, because it did have to, I've got quite a few things here that had to come and go through customs and go to different distribution centers apparently. But like this one here is kind of cut open, and so I kind of worry. I've got a bunch of nicks and all kinds of stuff on this bag, and I don't know if anything's going to be damaged. This is, you can see where it's torn there, but we'll go ahead and start with this one since it's the worst shape. All right, let's see what we got here first. Okay, I had bought some just little, it was a 3-pack of pants. I figured they would probably be kind of comfortable to work in. They look like they might be a little big on me, but we'll see. I have put on quite a bit of weight since I hit 50. So, but we'll see. I just thought they would be comfortable to work in around the house. But I got this 3-pack, and I do not remember everything, the price point. So as I'm opening it, I'll also put that on the screen just so you know what I spent for it. But this was a 3-pack. I do know these were $9 and something cents for the 3-pack, which I thought was an excellent price. But again, I don't know. I think they might be too big. I got an extra large. And that's, like I said, because I've gained some weight and I'm struggling with finding the right size. But I did get a 3-pack of those, and they feel fine. So curious to see how those hold up. All right, I had also got these flower picks. They're artificial flowers. They're supposed to be UV resistant, so you can put them outdoors. It came with, it looks like 4 picks. Got 4 stems here, or I guess what they call bundles. And I know they were really cheap, and I was really curious to see what they thought bundles meant, and apparently that's a bundle. I don't know, I kind of always think bundle a little bigger, but yeah, they're nice looking. They're really pretty looking. I'm sure I can make those work in a flower pot for out on my front porch. But again, I'll put the price right up here of what I spent for these. But they are pretty. I'm actually pretty impressed. They look pretty real, especially the flowers. Yeah, so not too bad there. Alrighty, I got another piece of clothing here. Got some pajamas. Just a little 2-piece pajamas. The only thing I didn't like about them was because they didn't have the drawstring, but all right, those feel pretty nice. And they're just a little 2-piece here. I like just wearing stuff like this in my pajamas, but hey, I'm not upset about that. Seems like it's pretty good quality. All right, I got some more outdoor flowers. This is actually a pretty big bunch of them. This was a multicolor. I had been looking at something like this on Amazon, and I just didn't want to spend the money. But these are really pretty. I love that color, that orange. The multicolor's got the pink, yellow, purple, white, and this orange color. And they come with 2 bundles of each color. And, you know, those are actually pretty. Those look very pretty outside. Not upset about those either. Okay, got some more flowers. Actually, these are the same. Okay, I got 2 packages of the red ones I showed you. So I did get 2 packages of those. And I must have got 2 packages also of the last ones I just showed you. All right, these I was excited about, but kind of scared. I've got a planner I had picked up at the thrift store, which I'll be doing a thrift flip on. But I wanted something to put in that planner. I love palm leaves. So I bought some palm leaves. Which you have to assemble. So you get 2 pieces. I got 2 pieces here. And you just put the little palm leaves on. I can open it. Okay. So you just kind of have to assemble it yourself. I don't think I've ever bought something that you had to assemble yourself like this. But it's got a whole, you get, you know, a whole bunch of them. I think those are going to be pretty. I wish they were a little taller, but the planner I have is tall, so that's probably going to work. And I can't wait to show you guys in an upcoming video how all this looks together on my patio refresh. But yeah, not too bad. These feel real. I'm actually pretty impressed. They actually feel like real leaves, so impressed there. They look very real. So not upset about those either. All right, got some more flowers. Yes, I was wanting to get a bunch of outdoor plants because I do not have a green thumb. Every plant I've ever had just about dies. So we thought we would go the easy way, but I still wanted them to look, you know, fairly new, real. And these are pretty. These are a multi-pack. Got the yellow, pink, purple, and the red. And these are really pretty also. They look like the red ones. Yeah, they look like the red ones I had gotten. So they do. They look really real. And I just can't wait to get all these out on the front porch. They're so pretty. And then this is another, I had gotten 2 of those palm leaves. So that's what that is. All right, so everything put in the bag, nothing damaged. So that's good. All right, so I got this small one here. Not quite sure. I believe these are pajamas. I think. No, these are pillowcases. I went ahead and got some silk pillowcases. They came 2 a pack. And they've got the little pocket so your pillow doesn't slide out. I believe somewhere. Here we go. Yeah. So they've got the little pocket that you tuck your pillow over. And yeah, these are nice. It's just the regular size pillows. And so they came in, like I said, a 2-pack. And these feel really nice. Once you go silk pillowcases, you don't go back to anything else because these just are wonderful on your hair. All right, so we got another bag. And I saw these tulips. I got me, oh, well those feel very nice. Okay, these are very real feeling. Very pretty. Yeah, they feel real for the most part, but yeah. Okay, I'm not upset with those. Those are beautiful. Okay, we got another piece of clothing. My guess is pajamas. Oh, or not. I don't know. This doesn't look like something I ordered. Okay, long sleeve shirt. Pajamas. Maybe I ordered them for the winter time. I don't know. I don't remember ordering this, but okay. All right, this is my pajamas I had ordered. So we got another pair of pajamas. I just think they're so cute and they feel really nice. They don't feel like they'd be too hot. Again, no drawstring, but so hopefully they'll fit. I got some brassiers. I'm not going to pull them out and start showing everybody, but they were a 3-pack of brassiers. So somebody's at the door. Pause, and I'll be right back. All right. All right, so I got me a pair of sandals. Just some little cute sandals. Don't have a whole lot of cushion, so I don't know if I'll be able to wear them too much, but I just wanted to get something I thought might be comfortable, so. I know they were really inexpensive. Like I said, that first purse just kind of sucks you in because of the prices. Okay, I have a feeling those might be too big. These are a large. They look big. I don't know. Just some pants to work in. Stuff I thought, I'm not going to care if I get paint all over, so. And, you know, that you can move a lot easier in. All right, and just got some more greenery here. Kind of looks, they're like ferns. Let's see how real they look without being on this plastic. Have kind of a smell to them. Oof. All right, they don't look that bad at all. They look like they'll hold up in the weather. They are kind of plasticky feeling, but all in all, I think they're pretty. They look pretty good. So not too disappointed over those. All right, let's see what's in this box. Need my scissors again. I'm gonna put them. Okay, so I got these planters. Thought they looked really pretty. Thought they'd look really pretty outside. And I got 3 of them in here. Yes, 3 planters. This is the largest one. We got a medium. And then we got the small. And like I said, I just thought these would look really cute outside with some plants. Some of these plants that I bought in them. So, not disappointed. I was hoping they'd be a little bit bigger. Sorry, my camera's moving. My cat is over there playing and she's hitting the pole. Cammy, Cammy, you're shaking my camera. They're called wooden whisk planters. One is 5.3 inches. Cammy. One is 7.3 inches and one is 8.3 inches. All right, we are down to the last box. And this I got just for some little decor in the home. I got this little dough bowl. It is a little smaller than I was thinking, but I like how it's wide right here. I have one, but it's a little narrow. I don't think I paid too much for this. Like I said, I'll list that price here, but it is very pretty. It is no description anywhere, no tags anywhere, so. But that's it for the shopping haul from TikTok. The total amount, again, I will list right here. And tell me, was it a good deal? Was it a bad deal? I think quality on everything is just like you would if you bought it from Amazon. I have no problems there. Like I said, I don't know how the fit's going to be, but I'm kind of on new sizes compared to what I'm used to. So I don't know. But yeah, so far pretty happy with these plants and flowers that I got. They seem like they're going to hold up just fine. And hey guys, thanks for watching. Let me know if you're going to be doing any TikTok shopping. I know it's very similar to Temu or Temu, however you pronounce it. I've never shopped there before. But I think that's the pricing that they've got going on. And honestly, will I buy from there again? Probably not. April 29th is when I placed my order. And yesterday was the 17th of May. And that's when I got the remainder part of my order. I guess if you don't mind waiting, okay. Normally when I order something, I don't want to wait that long to get it. And so I probably will not be ordering from them again. Not because of quality, but just because I like to get stuff pretty quick as I order it. I do most of my shopping on Amazon. When I do online shopping, gotta love Prime memberships. But that's usually where I go. I do love a good deal, so I thought I'd go ahead and give it a shot and just kind of show you guys if you want to make that plunge and get a few things while you can on that very first purchase. Just know that if it's coming from China, it could take a couple weeks to get. So just be prepared for that. But hey guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.